Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into account. Microsoft. Com with the Outlook/Microsoft account you want to change. Once signed in, make sure you can receive codes on your phone or alternate email in case the system asks for verification. Then go straight to Security and choose Advanced Security Options. You do this now so you won't be blocked halfway. Make sure your recovery methods are current, because the next steps will require confirming one of those options before you can turn off two-step verification. Once in Advanced Security Options, find the two-step verification area and select Turn Off. You'll be prompted to verify your identity right away. Choose the code delivery method that works for you, such as SMS, alternate email, or the Authenticator app. Enter the code and confirm. You must acknowledge the security warnings about reduced account protection and any impacts on older apps. Make sure to note any app passwords you'll need to recreate. After confirming, the system will process and disable two-step for your account. Finish by signing out and signing back into Outlook to verify that two-step is disabled and that your session behaves normally. If you use older email clients, recreate any required app passwords now so Mail Sync continues. Make sure to review security settings and re-enable other protections if desired. If verification fails or you can't receive codes, use the account recovery flow immediately to restore access. Otherwise, contact Microsoft Support for help. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.